What's up, everyone? I'm out here in my garden. So you guys also know I've started a permanent food forest. So I'm planting fruit trees all around the perimeters. And then over here in my buckets, I have potatoes. I have my tomatoes down here. And some of these buckets we were using for our perennial crops that come up. Pepper plant, and my strawberries are down there. But I was super excited to start asparagus this year, and I didn't have anything to put it in. And I got this awesome raised bed from Anleolife. Very easy to put together. You just put the panels together. It's really big and spacious. The metal doesn't rot like wood raised beds do, so you can have it for a long time. As you can see, my asparagus is already starting to sprout. Look, baby asparagus. Takes a couple years for it to really get established, but after it gets established, you can have asparagus come up every single year for up to 25 years. It's really awesome. I put together a short video for you guys to watch how we assembled it and we got it done. Check it out. So here it is, guys. Every garden needs one of these. Raised metal bed. They last forever. So much better than the wood raised beds. You can put your crops in them, tend to them every year, and it just stays right here. It's awesome. Like and follow for more.